Now then, so prior to any porting, we're going to split this case and replace the bearings. Fairly straightforward. So let's begin. With a series of bolts you have to take out. I think there's 6 on this machine. Yep. There's two at front. Excuse me. Tell you what I will do. I'll get some paper towel ready, because there's always a bit of oil, bar oil knocking about, so don't want to get it all over my lovely clean bench, do we? There's your on there. That's 4. One there. I think there's one in there under all that shite. Yep. Make sure you get all crap out at bolt heads or well, worst case scenario, round head off. Well, not round it off, but damage it, and then you'll never get it out. What's that? 5. Last one, I believe. There we are, 6 bolts out. So now you've a couple of options. Brute force. You can start pounding away on stuff with an hammer. Or one of these, case splitter. So you drop that over there. So just in case then of winding this in. Make sure all your bolts are out, which they are. Chuffing hell. Tight is that then, us? I've got everything out, haven't I? Yeah. Yeah. I think it might need a little love tap this to get it going. Yeah, go from the other side first there. It's creaking. There it goes. It's almost as if the front's still held together. No, just a load of shite. Old gasket in there. So there you are. One side off. Old gasket. Get crank out the other side now. I mean, there's no need to leather it with an hammer. Saying that, he's well and truly stuck in there. It's coming, I think. Alright, there it goes. There we are. That's his case split. That's his crankshaft. No bluing on it. No play. Beautiful. Get it in the bag. That's his bolts. I'll put these in a separate little bag. If I can get these little dowels out, be nice. These are just locators really. It'll keep all the cases nice and in line when you weld it up. That's that. So his next job will be to get these bearings out. Now they're press fit, so the only way to get them out is to press them out. What we're going to do, clean them up so we don't burn his sins down. And we're going to apply some heat just to the case. That'll make the case get slightly bigger, and then quickly we can flip it over and knock them bearings out. So I'm going to warm this up, like I say. And I've got this little drift I've made that I'll put in there. Whack. Should pop straight out. So we're only warming the case. We're not putting any heat into the bearing here. And without any fancy thermometers about, it's a bit of a best guess really as to when this is going to be ready to come out. I reckon you need about, get the case about 250 degrees warm, but it's smoke now. She's smoking now. See what happens now. Out she comes. Job's a good one. Yeah, rinse and repeat. Not best blowtorch it well, but beggars can't be choosers, can they? I work with what you got, ain't you, sometimes? Bit bigger this bearing. No matter. Come in. That's it. Two knackered old bearings out. So we'll take these, give them a right good fettle, right good clean, get all this old gasket off, and then we'll drop his new bearings in. Right, so let's get his case together. Again, you can break living daylights out of this. And I've made this buller. Basic concept is once that's in, there like that, that will sit up again there, while that threaded end is screwed on there, like so, and then all it is a case of spinning that nut down or stopping this spinning, and it'll draw us crankshaft in. So, unfortunately I ain't got a, I'll have to go find me spanner for this end, bear with me. We're going to have to improvise. No big deal, is it? So we'll get him on that nut. That means I can stop that spinning whilst we tighten this. You gotta be careful though. Nearly then, the old see, trying to drop down here. Need to keep this where we can see it. There we are. They can still fall backward. See how easy this is now. No brain. None of that. You know, somebody comes, put this down for an hour, have a bit of a cow. That's home. That's him. Yep. Slack up nuts off now. Undo this. There we are. It's in. I'll put his little locator dowels in. Gasket, of course. I'll drop this side on. What I will do is just pop a couple of bolts in. Just to line everything up. In fact, we may as well just drop all 4 in. 4? There's more than 4. 6. What I'm not going to do is push this case together using these bolts. You can, but when you've got a bearing, puller, whatever you want to call it. So, double-ended this, she says. So we have a thread in there for his flywheel side, and then a thread in there for his crank side. Memory serves that it's an M8 fine thread flywheel, M10 fine thread, but a left hand thread on your other side. Now you can buy these, but I've made my own. Same again. Far easier way, bloody proper spanner, but mislaid it. How are we doing? Just about there, I'd say. Oh aye, done. There we are. That's it. Back together. Just a case of nipping these bolts up now. Easy as that. No messing about with bleeding hammers and rest of it. Although there's a little bit of hammering we need to do once we've got these bolts nipped up. And you go down these in a random pattern, a bit like when you change the wheel lock car. If you're torquing a cylinder head down, make sure everything pulls down nice and evenly. Right, give it a bit of torquing up. Now there probably is a number for this, but that'll just me slipping with that. We'll do one as tight, not as tight as we can do them, but as tight as we think. Some shit in that. There you are, case together. Bollocks, slipping out again. So hence it's imperative you clean your bolts. Your bolt heads are out, sawdust and shite in them. Get it cleaned. There. But we're not done yet. Bit stiff this. So get a copper hammer, a few wraps. This is just loosening it bearing up. Get rid of all that stress it bearing. Beautiful that. Once that's all lubed up, yeah, trim them off with a knife, these little bits that are sticking up. In fact, that one chuffing fell off, all that one. Yeah. Job's a good one. One last thing. Little seal that goes in there. Just push it down there. You can do this with a socket. If you want to get posh, you can buy stuff. If you can just board a bit of bar out and just knock this seal home, making sure it's going in square. That's it. One bearing seal. There you are. Crankcase bearings, seals. Now, one thing that I've noticed when I took this saw apart and tried cylinder on, this gap here is way bigger than what it is on the cylinder. This portion from here to here. So his first bit of porting is going to be matching his cylinder to his case. See there?